Just 2 miles off the northeastern coast of Antigua lies a tiny, almost hidden jewel, Bird Island. At first glance, it seems unremarkable, a speck of white sand and lush greenery surrounded by glimmering turquoise waters. Yet Bird Island holds a unique place in both Antigua's ecology and its story. For centuries, the island has served as a sanctuary for local and migratory birds. Its name is well earned. The skies above are often alive with the calls and wheeling flights of pelicans, frigate birds, and endangered species like the West Indian whistling duck. The island's brush and low trees provide ideal habitats, shielded from mainland predators and human intrusion by the surrounding reefs and shifting currents. But Bird Island is not just a haven for birds. Its surrounding waters are rich in marine life. Snorkelers and researchers alike flock here to observe thriving coral reefs, nurse sharks, and vast beds of seagrass that shelter juvenile fish and crustaceans. These reefs, though battered by storms and climate change, play a crucial role in protecting the island's delicate shoreline. Historically, Bird Island was untouched, except for occasional trips by fishers or people gathering salt and seabird eggs. In recent decades, however, it's become a popular day trip destination. Tour boats bring visitors eager to picnic, swim, and soak in the beauty, reminding everyone that even the smallest patch of land can feel like a world apart. Yet this popularity brings its own challenges. Conservation groups today work tirelessly to protect the island's fragile ecosystems from invasive species, careless visitors, and the ever-present threat of rising seas. Bird Island, just a stone's throw from Antigua, stands as a testament to the value of even the tiniest wild spaces, reminding us that stewardship and wonder can, and must, go hand in hand.